and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Rector Major Father Angel Fernandez Artime arrived at the airport of Chennai at 3:30 a.m. on 2nd of September 2022. He was warmly welcomed to the Salesian province of Chennai, INM, by Father K.M. Jose Provincial, Father Don Bosco, Vice Provincial, Father Edwin Vasanthan, Economer, Provincial Council members, and a few other Salesians. Rector Major celebrated the Holy Eucharist in the Emmaus Chapel of the Provincial House at 11:45 a.m. In the introduction of the Holy Mass, Father Provincial thanked Rector Major for his presence with us on this day and at large for the joyful accompaniment of our province for the last 5 years. Looking at the 35 Salesians along with the Archbishop Emeritus Dr. A.M. Chinnappa SDB gathered for the Mass, our Rector Major remarked that it is like a province by itself, which is the case in many other parts of the Salesian world. Holiness in the Salesian family was the theme shared by Father Pirlugi Karimoni, Postulator General for the causes of saints of the Salesian family, in the meeting he held on August 30th with the different branches of the Salesian family in the north of the country. The meeting took place in the Mons Candido Rada auditorium of the Salesian Polytechnic University, Kutu El Giron campus. Hundreds of young people gathered in Siklari Gorni, Rakau, Province PLO for the annual event Non-Stop Boxco 2022. This year's motto was Devotion, meaning sacrifice, and it referred to the 80th anniversary of the martyrdom of the young Salesian Blessed of Ponsna, who gave their lives for faith and country. Young people participated in thematic workshops, seminars, prayer times, and testimonies. One of the main events of this meeting was a bus trip to Dresden, Germany, the site of the martyrdom of the Ponza 5. The centerpiece of the event was an evening concert with performances by rapper Arcadio and the energetic band Siwi Lennisi. The youth of the Salesian Missionary Group in Kinshasa organized a missionary health march with the aim of caring for others, meeting new people and fraternizing with them to be an outgoing church and also to maintain their physical health. The day began with the Eucharist celebrated by Father Jacques Isha SDB, leader of the Salesian Missionary Group, who highlighted the urgency of adopting a missionary culture in order to participate in Pope Francis' dream. Afterwards, the group's new president, Nathan Kabila, led the march through the streets of the city, which ended at St. Francis de Sales parish in Kintambo municipality. There, the missionaries visited the parish and met with several young people to whom they told about the Salesian Missionary Group. Your moments of joy. Give joy. The Laboratorio Solidale is the new charity shop of Salesian Per Il Social APS, a non-profit organization that has been supporting young people in difficulty for 25 years through foster homes and daycare centers scattered throughout Italy. A selection of products and solidarity gifts designed to celebrate important milestones in life such as birth, baptism, first communion, confirmation, graduation, or even marriage, birthday and wedding anniversary. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.